ini yang baunya warna pink. And this squishy out the packaging. Super squishy. And the box. Choco donut. This is a green tea flower. So squishy and not slow rising. There is a bag. And next squishy. Tiny Toes. Tiny Toes emoticon. This is so dense. Next, Kinama Band. Super duper squishy and super duper slow. Next, Mix Bottle. And the bottle is pink. Next, Mango KSI. This is Mango KSI. Super squishy and super slow. Next, Fila Kumalo. And the pack. And this scented is vanilla. And next, marshmallow cake. Super squishy. And last fish. And this is out the packaging. Very soft. And scented is banana. I guess. And I'm not sure this is a smell of banana. Super slow and soft, and the strawberry. Super soft. And next is the packaging milk bottle. And this milk bottle. This is from KSI. And this KSI Fresh Farm. And the packaging is so cute. Very cute. And next the packaging is Mango KSI. This is mango. And I see. Super slow. And the packaging is so cute. Very cute. And don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Like atau thumbs up. And komen di bawah and bye.